In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter PumpFun Memecoins on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now over here, I will now show you how to filter PumpFun Memecoins and all the noise, because over here, if you go to pulse, we're going to do this on the final stretch for this example over here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different coins and a bunch of noise. So we're just going to filter this out because many people don't even use filters at all. So before I begin this, I am not any type of financial advisor. I'm just showing you what you should be basically careful of, and I'm not saying that the filtered coins will be good. Of course, most of them will not be good, so do your own research, but I'm just here to make kind of a suggestion of what you can do if you want to, but of course you don't have to use it. So click over here where you can apply those filters, and then you want to go first into the audit, and inside the audit, what you want to do, the age, what I like to do is maximum 60 minutes. So I'm just going to put in 60 over here. And then what I usually like to do is put top 10 holders. You want to put in like 20 or something like this. Of course, you can change these numbers, as I said. And then dev holding, I like to put 20 in here as well. And when we have the bundle percentage over here down below, I like to put in 20 here as well. Now, where you have the holders, you want, of course, a lot of holders, because if they're just a few holders, it's likely a scam. So I'm just going to put in 100. You can put more if you want to, or less, of course, at your own risk. Now, after that, you want to go to metrics. And inside metrics, what I would change is the volume and the market cap. So the volume, I would put at least like 10K. And then the market cap at around 15K, or more or less, of course, depending on what you want to do. Now, as I said, this isn't perfect. This is just what I like to do. You can, of course, change the other ones as well if you want to, but that's kind of a basic ground where I would start, and you can start too if you want to. Now, then you want to click apply all, and as you can see, right now, it's basically just one coin over here. If it's good or not, I'm not going to say anything over here. Of course, it's up to you, as I said, to do your research. So there will be different coins, and then you can filter them out using my filters or not. It's just a suggestion you can start using. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.